Hello friends, today we are going to discuss one more organic problem related to organic synthesis, and this problem is related to Fiorescu rearrangement. Okay, and this type of problem mainly occur the basic moiety in this molecule should be like that, either this one. Okay, so you can mention like that, say it may be cyclo or this may be like that. Okay, sorry. So in this the third point is very important. It is in this rearrangement, ring contraction takes place. Okay, so these are the three basic points. So if you see this mechanism, we will have, because there are four options, one option should be correct here. So we will go through mechanism by which we can obtain the final product. So it is the okay. So in this, first of all, bromine is added here. So the bromine, what is the function of bromine? It will attach on the double bond. Okay, simply it will attach, first of all, attach on the double bond, means one bromine should be like that, one bromine should be like that, and ketone will be like that. The second situation is given where that sodium ethoxide is added here. So you should be know about that. It convert to Na plus. So this sodium ethoxide act as a base here. Okay, so act as a base and abstract hydrogen from this one. Okay, and convert to ethanol. Okay, so after that, what happen here? Minus charge will be generated in the site. Okay, understand, and this will like that. After that, what happened? This charge will be shift here. This bromine will be released out, means bromine acts as a living group in the system by attacking this minus charge. So this will be like that, bromine. Okay, this will CO, and after that, what happened? This ethoxide and act as a nucleophile attack on this carbon, because there is no site of attack for this base. Okay, so it will like that, structure should be like that, and this will, and O minus comes here and it is attached with this carbon. So if you see here, after that, what happened? This charge will be means retain its own functionality, and since valency is have been more, so that's why this bond will be broken here and this bromine will be released out. So here we will draw the this is 5-member ring, so we will draw the 5-member ring here. Okay, in the one, if you see here, this suppose that it is the first carbon, so we will attach first carbon. We assume that it is first carbon, so it will like that. On the second carbon, it should be keto, means ketone, CO, second carbon containing this CO, OET. Okay, and third carbon will be, means nearest carbon, this one C, nearest carbon should be this methyl. Okay, so this is the methyl, so it is the correct orientation of this structure. So after that, what happened? If you see this, there is one more hydrogen is here, so it can also abstracted by base. Okay, converted to ethanol. Okay, so what happens here? This will be like that. So this is your double bond. Okay, and since double bond will be reduced out, and because here double bond will be formed here, so structure should be like that. Okay, after that, what happened here? If you see this, there is a, in this type of, there is no product. So again, what happened? What may be we will not go here because this molecule will not form. So if you see this in this, what may be the basic because KOH is given, okay, not it is given base, it is given KOH, where in this third mechanism ethanol is given here. Ethanol acts as a solvent, so there is no role of other function of ethanol. So the if you see here, this is CO. If you this esterification, this will hydrolyze to acid, okay, and this will have double bond here. So structure should be like that. If this is on wedge, so it will be on dash, okay, means it two bonds should be transposition for gaining stability. This is also COH, this is your, okay, so it is your final product. So if you see this is the correct option. It ring contraction takes place furiously, so it should be not, it also should be not formed, it should be also, the correct answer will be like that, okay. So it is all about the mechanism is very clear. So you can attain by drawing, you can attain more knowledge and experience regarding this mechanism by drawing by a pen on the copy, okay. So it is all about. So if friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, okay. And if you cannot understand any points clearly, then please mention your comment in the comment box. We will solve your problem as soon as possible. So thank you friends for watching this video. We will meet again.